What are we doing, Jeffrey? What are we doing right now?
At the crib right now.
Where's the crib? Show the crib. Right there.
And my triple cup, that's 2 times 2. Man, this shit dogging in the wartime, so yeah, my eyes red, but I'm no diamond. If you gon' run it up, that's all on you.
You know I'm ballin', usual like Kobe. Ooh, worry about a hater that don't know me. He say that he tough, then that boy gotta show me. Pull up Bentley truck, extra poles, and we fold deep. Say my name 3 times like I'm Tony. Diamond VVS, I put baguettes all on my rollie. I ain't never believe nothing that you told me. These niggas keep sneak this and they turn me to my old me. Before I had these meals, I was oh so lonely. Rennie, feeling heavy with my 40. I ain't never been no phony. You be getting bands, Harley. Yeah.
Your turn.
So far, so trapped, calling no towers on quest. So on a cliff, I knew that I wouldn't be stressed. Get a job for your heart, bust down with the popcorn. Cheap model with some miles and a memoir. Had a dream, reemerge at the drugstore.
What does it look like? Rig almost all of my tits. Oh yeah, kind of.
Hey, Jake.
Did you send it?
Guys, we're about to send a text to my crush right now. Get this in.
Did Alex just go?
Go!
Crazy! Guys, like and subscribe for more. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm doing this for you guys. Alex!
Okay.
Alex!
No, wait. Deadass?
Alex!
He was out his bag. He went into the bag.
What the? Yeah, look at the emojis. Wait, no.
There's this.
Just sitting on it.
No, I don't trust you, bro.
Thumbs down. Just put your feet under. You'll be like I did to your mom.
If we go home right now, we could watch like the whole fight. Like the whole main card.
I mean, they have to.
Well, no, like they don't go shower. Like, and I know you'd be feel dirty, but like,
No, I mean, like your room's gonna be all sandy.
I know, like we can like rinse it off outside.
How?
I'll just bring like a bucket of water.
Yes. Ice bucket challenge.
Wait, what about food and shit?
Yeah. Just smoking a poverty pack.
I'm down with whatever.
You down for my dick?
No.
But like, you know.
Didn't Robert say he hated Izzy? Like, actually hated?
He's innovative.
You think so?
I know so.
Look, I fuck with bad shorties, baby, on major. And I got bad shorties, baby, all flavors. You never had none, baby, don't savor. I swear to God, I never push you in no danger.